Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy M23 5G. Okay, for that we will need the buttons for. So the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you are able to edit the screenshot or to share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now, you're in the editing symbol, you're now able to draw something inside, to highlight something and so on. And if you tap here on the corners, by the way, you can crop just a part of the screenshot, like the Google bar here. Very useful, by the way, for capturing a picture from a website or something like this. And after, you can share this edited part here or save it directly to your gallery. And apropos gallery, where are your screenshots? Of course, you're at the gallery, and at the pictures you can see them here mixed up with the photos, but I would recommend to you to go to the category albums here below, because then you will have an own folder just for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.